Hey all, let's all today's Leetcode daily. So it is sequential digits. Let me start a stopwatch. I haven't solved this before, so let's see how we can break down and come up with the right approach. So an integer is 600 digits if and only if digit is a number is more than one previous digit. More than previous, return the sorted list of all integers in the range low to I, including that are sequential digits. Okay, so basically we are given two pointers, left and low and high, which are inclusive. We need to find all the sequential digits between those range. So what is sequential digit? So numbers should be consecutive, like if the current digit is x, next digit must be x plus 1, x plus 2, so on. So we are given from 100 to 300 we only have two sequential digits, 1 2 3 and 2 3 4. From 1000 to 13,000 we have 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 6 4 5 6 7 5 6 7 8 6 7 8 9 and 1 2 3 4 5. First, what we can do, we can generate all sequential digits from 1 to 10 power 9, so that we can do binary search on low and high and return all the elements between them. How we can do? Yeah. Sequence. Let's take vector int sequence and solve void solve okay. The sequence, how we can find sequence? One, we need to do backtracking. Yeah, so need to have it in a way based on the length, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then 1 2, now then 1 3 1 or not 1 3 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 in that way. So what's the right approach for this? The length is to the height can be up to 10 power 9 and low is from 10 in the sense it will start from 12. 10 power 9 in the sense last digit will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That would be the last possible. So how do we solve it? can add and sort. I'm thinking of, is there any way to add in a sorted order? It starts with 12. Let's start with 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 10. 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 2, 9, 2, 10. For int I equals to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. For int j equals to 1 to 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7, so on, right? Plus 1, then j plus plus. How does the j help us? Sequence push back off into current equals to I, current star equals to 10, current plus equals to j. It would be 12 star 10 plus 3, same way, right? Current for 1 it would be 1 star 10 plus 2, 12. For 2 it would be okay, 12 star 10, 120 plus 3, 123, 123, 0, 140. Now on completing this, we need to sort of sequence dot begin, comma, sequence dot end. Actually we should not do this every time, but C++ has no other way. What else can we do? Yeah, now we have done solve. We have a sequence. We need to find we need to do binary search to find the leftmost element which is greater than or equals to low. Okay, binary search to find leftmost element greater than or equals to low. How can we do? We'll be having left pointer towards 0, right pointer towards right, and we need to find mid such that it is greater than or equals to low. Complexity is of log n. Similarly, we need to find binary search of element for the right, which is so we can use lower bound in C++. Int L left index equals to lower bound of sequence dot begin, comma, sequence dot end, sequence dot begin. Now we get lower index. Similarly, we need to do binary search for right height high. Okay, now this will be high index. Now we need to return all the elements between low and high. What are the conditions? If left index must be greater than 0 and left index must be less than n, and what does n mean here? Int n equals to sequence dot size. Yeah, and same for the height. H index must be greater than 0 and H index must be less than n. Now we need to return subarray. Should this be inclusive? Yes. Return subarray gain plus low, comma sequence dot begin plus H index, right, plus 1, because it is inclusive. Yeah, I think this makes sense. Else return empty array. Let me run and check if there are any issues. Okay. There are some syntax issues. Begin, same here. Sub. Oh, we should not return directly. We need to create a vector int sub, then we can return this sub. Sub, yeah. Let me run this. Okay, why extra thing is coming? Should I remove h plus 1? Yeah, let me submit. I think there will be some edge case which might fail. Yeah. Da 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 da. Let me print in left index and right index. We got it. Let's see. 0 to 36 equals to must be there. I thought it. Because I think height index is not inclusive, it might be the reason. 36, 7, 9. Why it is issue? Seven, 8, 9. Check now. Okay, I understood the issue. When it is equal, it is not counting. What is the issue? When equal, it is not considering. Why though? Greater than or equals to low, less than or equals to height. Then it will become an upper bound, right? Greater than or equals to lower bound. Yeah, I think this could be the issue. Let me submit. Yeah, let me revise the problem statement once again. So we are given ranges from low to high. Within these ranges, you need to find all the sequential digits. What makes a number sequential is if it contains all the digits in a consecutive manner, xx plus 1, x plus 2, so on till x plus n. So for the given constants, low is greater than or equals 10 and high can be till 10 power 9. We can't check low to high and check if the number is sequential or not. It would be n log n or approximate. Yeah, you can consider it as n log n, which is not suitable for this constraint. We must have O of n solution. To have an O of n solution, we should pre-compute all the sequence. That is what we are doing here. So if you take a look, we are having a vector sequence. So for every integer from, suppose I states the starting integer and j states the length of the sequence. So if I equals to 1, the sequence we can get is 12, 123, 1234, 12345, so on. So we are multiplying it by 10 and adding, so that for if we take 1, it will be 1 star 10 plus 2, it is 12. Again 12 star 10, 120 plus 3, 123. In this way we get sequence. We push back them to the sequence and we sort it, so that we'll get in a sorted order. And then first we'll create a sequence array and then we'll get the length of sequence array. We'll find the index using binary search. So for the left index, you need to get the index of element greater than or equals to low, and for the rightmost index, you need to find the index where the element is less than or equals to high. So once you get this index, you'll check whether they are in the given ranges or not. Then you will return the subarray of the sequence within those ranges, else you return an empty array. So now let's see what is the complexity to solve this solution. So to find a sequence of all the elements, we have 10 star 10 complexity, which is n square, but this is only once to solve entire problem, so you don't need to consider about this as an n square solution. Now once we pre-compute all these things, now is the actual implementation. To find the lowest index, we are doing binary search on all the sequence. Let the sequence be of length n. For the lower index, it is O of log n. Similarly, for the rightmost index, we are doing binary search again, which takes log n complexity. Now we are taking subarray between low and high. Let's suppose in the worst case it is O of n. So these are the complexities of this solution, and this will suit the given constants, so nothing to worry about. As you can see, it beats 100% solution in complexity. In space, if you could look, they are using string operations, but this is not optimal because we are doing O of n square for every sequence, so we can go with binary search here. Thanks you.